Hello friends, today we will start reverse string in Java using recursion. Okay, first we will know what's recursion. Recursion is a method which call itself. Okay, call itself. So here we are create simple recursion classes. Okay, so for example, class reverse test. This is the main method. In main method we have called reverse function. Okay, so here reverse function is there and it's print hello, and it again call itself. So this is the recursive function. Okay, it keeps on calling it. It's a loop, infinite loop. It keeps on calling. Okay, so let's see. And this was just a simple example. Let's see an example. Let's see how we would do this with the program. Okay, let's see the string str to the point program easily. So we have to reverse this using recursive function. So let's make a function which is reverse function. Let's name it as reverse function. Okay, we would take the string length as string length. So we have to use string comma num. And we would be using this. This is the object. This is a class. Scratch is a class. Okay, scratch class, and we have created its object sc string. We have to make the reverse function. Okay, so let's make reverse function. Public it will return string, and the reverse function it has string here and int num. Okay, to return something over here. Let's give it a reverse return and make it string reverse return equal to, we have to initialize it something empty. It's empty. Okay, we would use if function if num is greater than 0. Okay, we have to, as we are taking the length, so we need to decrement it. Okay, so because it starts from the maximum, the string length maximum, why we have to decrement it, so it will be n minus minus, as the index starts from 0 and the index starts from 0 and the length starts from 1, so we have to decrement it while printing it out. Okay, so let's store this in reverse return. We have created this empty string, so let's store in that. Store that what will be str dot to str dot car at which index is num. We have to add with, as we have to call recursive function as I've shown over there, and it call itself. So for recursive function we have to use a reverse function. So we call use this. And pass the parameters string comma num. Okay, and we are returning it reverse return. So we can print this out. In this. So here what we are doing, let's see, here we are passing the argument as str and its length, string and its length. Okay, so we initialized a string reverse return which is empty, and as the length is starts from 1, so we have to decrement it first of all, and we are storing a reverse return every character in this in reverse return. So when we decrement it, it show this y value. Okay, as index starts from 0, so 0, suppose it is 0 to 18, so 0 to 18, and length will be 19 as it starts from 1. so it would decrement it. Okay, it's not exactly 18, but I'm just saying it. So 18, so it would start from a car at 18, so that's, suppose that's y, at index. So plus reverse function str num, so it will count again this. Is num greater than 0? As it has incremented it. Is the num greater than 0? Yes, then it will again go there, and it will keep on doing that. The reverse return, we have needed this. We have last time we have shown it, like str, it will again go the same way. Reverse return will store the last value, and then again this, keep on going that until it's, when it's equal to 0, then it goes, it becomes false, and it returns the reverse return value, whichever it's stored over here, and this is returned over here, and it prints that. Okay, so let's see. Let's see it. See, it has returned the value. Okay, easily, YLISAE. Okay, so it has reversed it using recursive function. We have done that using recursive function. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe the video and share it